If you are planning for a romantic dinner, you will need a romantic drink too. And this Valentine's Day, this cocktail will definitely help to set the mood. And like the best relationships, they are fun, sweet, attractive and very enjoyable. Do try this recipe. For this, heat a pan. Into it add half a cup of water, normal water, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. And this recipe is very affordable. Mix it well till the sugar dissolves. We need here 1 string sugar syrup. I request my male viewers, please do try this recipe and impress your loved ones with these recipes. And I'm going to share in my upcoming videos more dinner recipes, so do try them. My sugar syrup is almost done. See, I need 1 string sugar syrup here. And now I'll switch off the gas and pour it in a separate bowl. And if you find that your sugar syrup is more thick, then just add few drops of water into it. And now to get a beautiful color, I'm going to add here red gel color. I'm adding here gel color. You can skip it. If you don't have red food color, then you can skip, or you can add liquid food color too. This is optional, just to get the beautiful color out of this and make your dinner a romantic one. Mix it well, the color and the sugar syrup, and set aside. This recipe you need grenadine syrup, but it's too costly and you cannot find everywhere else. So I have made this syrup with some food color. And for this you need some strawberries. You need 2 strawberries for 1 portion, and for 2 portion you need 4 strawberries. As you can get strawberries in this season, and it's a love fruit too, so do use this in this recipe. Roughly chop the strawberries, and for decoration I'm going to use half a portion of the strawberry. I'll just cut it and keep its sides for decoration. Just give a slit, half slits into it, and set aside. Now for this I'm going to use a tall glass, or any glass you have, you can use that. First I'll pour the diced strawberry into it, and then I will add you can add sugar syrup according to your taste, because if your strawberry is sweet, then add a little bit, and if you find your strawberry is little bit of tangy or sour, then add little bit. And I'm going to add lime juice here, around about 1 teaspoon of lime juice, and with the help of a muddler I'm going to muddle this. If you don't have a muddler, then you can use the back of the bellon which you roll your roti with. That you can do, or any muddler you can take. Just muddle it for a few seconds, and then I have used here flavored vodka. You can use any kind of vodka you have, or you can skip this. I have made this alcoholic drink, but you can skip this. You can skip this alcohol. Just if you want to make non-alcoholic drink, then you can skip it, and you can add Sprite or any type of clear water into it. And now I will add 60 ml of vodka into it, and I have taken some basils for garnishing. If you don't have basils, then you can go for mint, but basil with this drink goes wonderful. Basil is a kind of tulsi. It's in Indian, you can call it tulsi patta. The flavor is somewhat the same, so you can add the tulsi patta too into it. It tastes yummy. And some ice cubes, because I am allergic to ice cubes, so I am taking only 2. And soda. Fill the glass with soda, and your drink is ready. And my lovely viewers, if you like my recipes, please do not forget to comment and give a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and do share this recipe. And I will be very happy if you make this recipe and impress your wife, my male viewers. This is an excellent drink, and you will love it. It is always worth celebrating. So why not roast it to your relationship with a fun and flazy Valentine's Day cocktail? Do try it and let me know in the comment section. Stay tuned for the upcoming Valentine dinner ideas, which I'm going to share some recipes, very easy recipes and affordable too. So do subscribe and stay tuned for my more recipes. Bye bye, take care till then.